Hi students, class 10, exercise number 4.3, question number 1. A man goes 18 meter due east and then 24 meter due north. Find the distance of his current position from the starting point. So, let me draw the axis like this. Let me take it as this is the north side, this is south, this is west, this is east. Right? A man goes 18 meter due east. From here it goes 18 meter. Let me take it as this is east. It is 18 meter. And then the man turns 24 meter due north. 24 meters due north. He walks like this. 24 meter due north position. Find the distance of his current position from the starting point. Find the distance of the current position from the starting position. So this is the term we have to find out. Let me take it as this is O, this is A and this is B. OA is the eastward and AB is northward. We want to find out the distance of OB. So clearly it is right angle triangle. So question number 1, solution. In right angle triangle OAB, right, we can apply the formula of Pythagoras theorem, that is longest side OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square. We want to find out OB only, right? Then OA square is equal to 18 square plus AB is equal to 24 square, that is equal to OB square. Now 18 into 18 is 324. Then 24 square, 24 into 24, still remainder 1, 96, 48, 6, 7, 1, 576. So sum of this term is equal to 0, 0, 9. So OB square is equal to 900. Then we want to find out only OB. So taking square root on both sides. Here square and root will be cancelled. So we get 900. This term is equal to 30. Right? 9 is a perfect square number. So we get 3. Here we have inside the root. We have 2 0 means we have to take only 1 0. So 30 into 30 is 900. Therefore the distance of is current position is 30 meter, right? Thank you students. Hi students, class 10, exercise number 4.3, question number 2. See the question number 2, there are two paths that one can choose to go from Sarah's house to James' house. One way is to take C street. From here, Sarah's house to James' house, directly they move. This is a C street, and the other way require to take A street and then B street, and the another way is move to B street and then move to A street. Right? How much shorter is the direct path along the C street? What is the difference between these two streets? Which one is the shortest? We want to show that, right? So this is the diagram. This is A street, B street and C street. We want to find out the position of, let me take it as, this one is A, B, C or D, E, F, whatever may be. Right? In triangle, this is right angle. In triangle ABC, right? In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle, right? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So now AB square is equal to 1.5 whole square plus BC is equal to 2 square. So 1.5, that is 15 into 15. Imagine 15 into 15 is 225. Here we have one decimal, here we have one decimal. That is 2.25 plus 4. 2.25 plus 2 square is 4. That is equal to 6.25. Sum of this value is 6.25. That is AC square. We want to find out what is AC. So AC means we taking square root on both sides. We get 6.25. 6.25 is nothing but 25 into 25. So here we have a decimal place, so 2.5 miles. So AC is equal to 2.5 miles, right? Next we want to find out the distance of AB and A street and B street, right? So the distance from A street to B street, right? It moving like this and then it reaches that places, means here we have 1.5 plus here we have 2, that is 3.5 miles. What is the distance? If we directly move from Sarah's house to James' house, means we get 2.5 miles. It rounds around this the street B and A, means you get 3.5 miles. So the difference is 3.5 minus 2.5 is equal to 1 miles. So we can write the direct path along C street. Direct path along C street is 1 miles shorter. 1 mile shorter. Thank you, students.